recipe out because this is what I'm doing. Lockdown was like lockdown day 7. That is this and day 2. So, recipe.
Hi, Maddie.
Hi, Maddi.
It's really good, doesn't it? First purchase in 62.
It's going to be too loud to actually hear me. But Maddie, we have just no, we'll start this again at the other end. I do need to show you this. You can tell her what you think of it. If you turn the volume down on the telly so we can hear it. Death in this house.
Maddie, disaster comes to mind.
I'm sure your tiffin came out beautifully, my darling, beautifully.
Well, we wouldn't know because we've not had any to try.
We've not had a doorstep drop. But I thought you'd appreciate this. You know my obsession with limp bunnies. I love them. I've definitely found a Tiger King limp bunny. Love it. Eating that later. But I'm gonna go make some Disney treats. I've got 2 ideas in mind. One of them slightly more universal than Disney. Second one, definitely Disney themed. Not sure it's something you can get in the park, but we're working with limited resources, Maddie. Limited resources, so you get what you get. Yeah. Need a hairband. I don't know where my hairbands are. Can't bake like this because you'll have hairy treats. Got one. Right, so yes, hello Maddie. And hello everyone else. I'm addressing this to Maddie because Maddie has finally started vlogging, and she is doing Dear Sam's, so she's kind of doing them to me. Everyone else should go over and watch because they are brilliant. True Maddie style, and I'm loving them. And I'm very excited. Right, so hair up, hands gonna go be washed. I'm back. So yes, 2 treats. One of them is my favourite thing in America. I call them pecan patties. Apparently that's not what they're called because pecan patties are like a veggie burger. Not that. They are essentially a cluster of pecans with caramel melted over them, holding them together, and then a big blob of chocolate on top. They are epic. And my favourite thing from Universal. I think they're called caramel turtles or some turtle, I don't know, something to do with turtles. Delicious. And the other thing that I will attempt to drop on your doorstep will be a Mickey Mouse cookie, giant Mickey cookie, because that's what I've got the ingredients for. So that's what you're having. Mum did suggest that we try and do the kitchen sink, but A, I haven't got ice cream, B, by the time it gets there it'll melt, and C, no, haven't got a sink. So you're not having that. But yeah, I'm gonna make you a cookie. Yay! I'm gonna angle you slightly this way and hopefully you will focus. So, I need a mixer. The awkwardness of not working in your own kitchen is nothing is where it usually is. Oh, she's put it away. Yeah, I want to be back in work. I want to be doing this in work. I want my camera to focus. Found it. Cupboards. Guessing that's salt. I sniffed it. Salt doesn't smell. This is why on food shows they have everything measured out before you start. Half a cup of granulated. There's a lot of sugar in these. Nearly ripped it. Give me one sec. Am I creaming these together first? Yeah. Yeah, I need that sugar in that bowl. Going in the mixer, the sugar from there upwards going in the mixer. I like this game. So I need 170 grams of butter. I've made 1 slice. Oh, I'm nowhere near. It's rubbish. So there's a little bit of flour in there. I'm not gonna lie, but we're just gonna let these go together and yeah. I don't like baking in Not My House. 1 yolk. Well, I mean that's an egg, but it will be a yolk. Need to find a spatula. That bit's done. Now I'm adding dry ingredients to, I'm not going to call them wet because they're more sludgy. Cookies aren't something I make very often. I tend to generally stick to cakes at work because that's what people want. And let Mum do the shortbread because she's epic at it. You think your paint is done? Erin's been painting. Say hi, Erin, wave. Oh, she doesn't want to. You'll have to ask Nanny what you're meant to be doing with it because I don't know. Mummy doesn't do painting because it's messy.
You don't like paint?
Don't like paint. She's right, I don't. What else don't I like?
Slime.
Slime, don't like that. And what have you got in your Barbie kitchen? Play-Doh. Don't like any of them. 1 point. Right, so yeah, I'm just going to mix these and see if we get a dough. I think I had any chocolate chips, but Mum's cupboard has saved the day with just enough. So in they go. I haven't got a chocolate biscuit done and I've got chocolate chips. And they're going in the cookies. All gone.
I want this thing on chocolate.
Who wants chocolate?
What did you buy it?
I didn't buy any chocolate.
What did you buy it?
Pecans and condensed milk. Let's roll it out. Like I said, I don't make cookies very often. This looks a little wet to roll out. I'm gonna get messy, aren't I? This is why I do cakes. I mean, cookies aren't my forte. I started this thinking, oh, it should be easy. I can do a cookie. Don't know if they're going to turn out like they're meant to. I'm going to go wash my hands though and get them in the oven. And we'll see. So if they spread, this could be a disaster. I'm hoping they spread a little so they join. I don't know. I don't think these baking trays are big enough. We'll see. It's got to the halfway point where you know, flip them around so they don't burn on one side. No. In a word, no. So, I mean the cookies, they're not shaped like Mickey Mouse. Was the blob ever a character by Disney? Because that's what you got. It's not worked. There's definitely a reason that I use tried and tested recipes in Mocha and just stick to that. Because these are ridiculous. I'm gonna blame the fact that I don't make cookies very often. I think they're gonna taste great. Definitely not the shape that I set out for them to be. I don't think I put it on the trays thin enough, and I don't think my trays are big enough. Would you like a peek? Would you like a peek through the oven door? Because yeah, so that happened. I mean, it's kind of a sheet cookie. Is that a thing they do in Florida? I might just draw Mickey on him. Might just draw him. Not my forte, this. When you on about me being a baker for a living, yeah, cakes. We draw the line at cakes. I hope they taste good. I mean, I just can't stop laughing. Oh, it smells great. But, it's not what Mickey Mouse looks like. Oh man. That one's burnt. Just Oh, fail. So when there's a will, there's a way, right? I've somewhat combated the cookie issue by just painting Mickeys on in chocolate. And I've got some sprinkles and some leftover sprinkles, so they're going on there too. Pretty. I mean, today's been kind of disastrous, but I'll fix it. It's always a cover-up job when you can bake, as we learnt with your mum's birthday cake. I love sprinkles. I mean, I've done better. But yeah, you can tell they're Mickeys, I think. There we go. Enjoy, Mads, enjoy. Delivery time. I was about to say I hope you're in, but if you're out then you're in a lot of trouble because I'm not meant to be out. I'm doing exercise. So, contactless delivery. I step back really far. Hi!
Oh, sorry, 1 minute, my rug's.
She's got a rug all in a fuffle.
This outfit is like isolation.
Sexy, I like it.
Sorry.
No, sorry. Because they would have run and hugged you and we're not allowed to do that.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh my god, it was like a
Say hi to you, because this is for you.
Hi, dear Sam.
Anyway, there you go. That was lovely seeing you, and I came out of it with Tiffin. Yeah. I'm going to try some. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm home. These two have settled down on the pads. Fry's settled down in his place. Hi.
Hello. Hello.
Trying to get blood out of a stone, trying to get a conversation out of them. But yes, so yeah, challenge complete, I guess, not perfected, but you know, tried. And I hope you're enjoying your cookies. I'm going to leave it there for today. I don't know if to upload this as one big vlog or a couple, kind of showing what we've been up to over a few days. I'll figure out when I start editing. It's here, ready to go. Yay! I will try and think of a challenge for you. If I have thought of one, it will be in my little credits. I don't know. If I haven't, then do something fun, Maddie. Do something fun at home, self-isolating. See you later.